Let the ground shake. Boom, 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 boom. Hello, what's up? And I have no idea where I'm looking. Guess I'm looking that little camera hole. Right. Today I found out what I got for Christmas. Well, I know Christmas ages ago, but I found something in my wardrobe. Well, I did not know I got. Does that explain it? It's upside down. It says Nerf. Oh, jeez Louise. Wait, there you go. There's the Nerf gun. What I'm going to be doing, I've got this. And I'm going to be getting this bad boy out. So, let's hope it's in the right position. You can see me now. That sounds really bad, doesn't it? Oh, jumped in my hands. Oh, that title you saw where it started saying nothing. That was something what it's going to be like. Obviously we're going to have better music. Just I need my brother's tablet. So it's on my laptop right now. And he gives it me when I get it. Play music. Oops, can you even see me when I do this? Hopefully you bloody can. Because if you can't, another video is not going out. Hey. I have to do the other bit. So, how are you guys doing? Doing fine. Oh! There. Oh! No, I haven't got the camera, well, the iPad set up the best place. Let's hope. Is this it? Why is it not coming out? Oh, it's got one more right under it. Can you believe it? Ooh. There's one. There's two guns. So, if any of my friends watching this, someone called Nashi is getting them to the face. And remember to like and subscribe. We might open more stuff for you guys in camera. Good more stuff. When I mean good more stuff, I mean better stuff. Not just guns. You know that faff on. There's one more wire that can get a bullet out. No, that's can I? Oh no! I just poked myself with a bloody stick knife and it hurts. Do my hair. I can't see, by the way, if I'm looking in the right place or not. So if I'm not, I'm just not going to put this video out, and I've already said that. Right. 2. Chicken! I'm gonna kill you all. Now, there, time to get the bullet here, and I'm going to try and do this with camera. So, where about? It's really dangerous. Don't try this at home, even though I'm trying it at home. I'm bloody 13, teenager, on a piggy breakfast and Edward in Callum goal. They know me in real life. If you guys have a YouTube channel, put it down in the comments below and I'll go and check it out and I'll watch a video. My peeps! Kobe's in bed, that's why I don't have a cameraman. Is that tape? Sorry in the background if you can hear like samurai swords and stuff. It's probably because Spider-Man's on TV, the film. There we go. If I stop that, it's probably because the camera goes like that. No, I don't want it like that. There we go. Kobe, you're meant to be in bed! Sorry guys. Another shouted. Sorry guys. So, that was some challenge.
Similar. Okay. Well, I gotta get back to work. You're trash, bro. Excuse me? Your picture's a fake. Parker, you are such a Boy Scout. What do you do with high school?
It's sick.
You want forgiveness? Your religion?
There we go. 1. Let's get to There we go. Chin chin.
Confirms it. Pack your things. Get out of my building. It's just you're fired. You know we're gonna have to print a retraction now. I haven't printed a retraction in 20 years.
Do do. I'm so cool. Right. So I hope you enjoyed this episode today. If you did, leave that thumbs up. And we'll see you. And oh, I forgot the best part. And also subscribe and turn on notifications. And I'll see you all later. Goodbye. Oh, come away my bloody eye, guys. Oh, wait. Bye.